Fixing your payment method not being available or not working on the Google Play Store is really easy to do. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you click on your profile icon once logged into the Google Play Store. From here, what you want to do is you simply want to go down to the option called Payments and Subscriptions, where you click on this and you simply want to go over to the option called Payment Methods. Now, when you click on this, you can actually see my cards that I've added, but let's just say one of these cards is not working on the Google Play Store. What you're actually going to want to do to fix this issue is you're simply going to want to go into the card details by clicking on the card, which I have this blurred for privacy reasons, making sure all the data on the card is actually correct. Otherwise, it will not allow you to actually make a payment using this card. Now, there are a handful of credit cards and debit cards that are not accepted on the Google Play Store, so make sure your bank actually meets the criteria to be used on the Google Play Store. And if it does, you should be in the gold, but do make sure that you do have all the right details added, and definitely log into your bank to make sure your card is not frozen by accident, just in case your bank thought someone was trying to use your card unethically without your permission. So that's what I recommend you doing, and this should fix your issue of the card not working or payment not working on the Google Play Store.